brush stroke is going to be dead on whether it's right side up, upside down, or rotated. So whenever I'm having trouble seeing and painting a shape accurately, I rotate the canvas and continue to work like I normally would. When I finish and rotate the canvas back to right side up, I know my brush strokes are placed accurately and not skewed by my own perspective. In this painting, I've pushed the turkeys into the upper right of the composition so that I could really work on color temperature in the foreground. Warm highlights are always going to produce cool shadows, and as you can see here, I've really pushed those differences in color temperature to give the painting lots of vibrant color in the foreground. Here's the finished piece entitled Sons of Thunder. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I wish you the best of luck chasing turkeys this spring. Be sure to check out my website, ryankirbyart.com, to see more original oil paintings just like this one.